Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super easy Valentine gift idea for you using all Dollar Tree items. And don't forget, I've also made a lot of Valentine gift ideas, I believe last year it was, so make sure to check out those gifts. They're definitely unique and affordable, so make sure to check out those videos. I will put the link to each one down in the description over here, so make sure to check out those videos when you're done with this one. Now, if you want to see how I made this cute gift, just keep on watching. Now, to make this gift, you need this box from Dollar Tree. It opens up just like this, like a flap, and I believe that's like the biggest size that they have. I also picked up this floral foam from Dollar Tree. That's what I'm going to use to fill in the box, and then I'll put everything on top of that. Some floral foams come already pre-cut in little squares like that, like you see here. It doesn't fit perfectly two in there, and that's perfectly fine because I want it to be like platforms. I want the bottom one to be able to hold my gnome, and the one on top will have chocolate on it. Now, I picked up this gnome from Dollar Tree and he's adorable. They also have it in gray, brown, blue, and this red one. And I know they might be a little bit hard to find. They're even sold out online, I know, but you could always use a teddy bear instead. You don't have to use a gnome. You can have the monkey sitting there instead, or they have tons of cute teddy bears, so you can go in with a teddy bear instead. But here I'm just giving my gnome a little trim and fixing him up a little bit, and then I'll just show you where I'm going to have my gnome. So basically here, I'm just going to take my gnome and I'm going to have him sitting down in the lower platform. I will be adding tissue papers in a minute here, but I just wanted to show you where you would put your teddy bear or gnome. So I would have him in a lower platform, and next to him, I'll have the chocolate, and in the front, I'll have the word love. But I'm going to take that out and go ahead and put tissue paper, and let's do this. I'm just going to go in with my floral foam one more time, and I'm going to basically try to fill in that empty space right there in the front, because that's where I'm going to have the word love on the pics, and I need it to be poked into something to keep it in place. So I'm just going to measure and cut, and I'll place those in the box as well. Before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. Notice here I am not using any glue to keep the foam in place. You can use glue, but I have everything here pretty much nice and snug, so it's not going to go anywhere. You just need to measure exactly the size of it and put that in place. And to cover all of this up, I'm going to go in with red tissue paper, and I'm going to also trim it because it was just way too big. So I'm just going to put everything in place, and I'm going to trim around and make it smaller. I picked up these picks from Dollar Tree. It comes with foam, the word love, and there's also 4 hearts if you want to use those as well. But I'm just going to use the word love, and I'm just going to trim it down a little bit and just stick those in the foam that we have. And once again, like I said, I'm going to trim the tissue paper a little bit because I feel like when I leave it big, it's overwhelming. So I'm just going to give that a little trim, and I'll be adding the rest of the word love. And now it's time to add the chocolate. I'm just going to place those there on the left of the gnome, and I also had some vase fillers from Dollar Tree on hand, so I thought, hey, why not go a little bit extra? And I just placed in a few around the word love, and because they look like gumballs, honestly. So I just put in a few there, and that's pretty much it. We're done. It was a very easy project, yet unique, and I think it turned out pretty cute, especially if you know someone that loves gnomes. And yeah, I think you have to give it a try, you guys. And now, of course, we need the flap to stay up. So I did add a little dab of hot glue on the back of the hat of the gnome, and held that in place perfectly. So it was a little dab of glue, not too much, and it stays up. But here's how it looks, you guys. Here's the final product, and I'm definitely in love with it. It's definitely unique, and I know someone that would love this. But I want to hear from you. What do you think of this? Make sure to stop by the comments and let me know what you think. You know, I'd love to hear from you. And like I said in the beginning of the video, don't forget to check out my previous projects, and I'll put the links down below to those projects. So make sure to check out the description down below to see those Valentine gifts. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.